you don't.
He just wants you to give him some attention.
I wonder if he likes when I do this.
Oh, he's not running away.
Yeah, true. And he's not trying to bite me or anything, so.
No, he's a nice dog.
Yeah, I hope my brothers like him too.
Well, they like Bailey.
Well, one of my brothers is scared of dogs.
Hmm?
One of my brothers is scared of dogs.
Which one?
The little one, the 3-year-old. See, whenever...
That's okay, because you don't want a 3-year-old around them too much either.
Yeah, but whenever he comes over and sees a dog, like, walking down the street, he's like, hold me!
Aww. That was so cute.
You are silly.
Did you hear him?
You're
Aww.
pathetic. You know how to work it.
Yeah.
Would he miss you?
He'd forget about me.
If he was getting that kind of love.
He was a good boy.
Oh, ladies, I hate to do this.
Yeah, she probably has other dogs to show people, okay?
Aw.
And we better get going. We're going to hit rush hour.